Hello and welcome to diyas Funplay. Let's learn road safety in today's video. Road safety is an important part of our daily lives because roads are shared by pedestrians, cyclists, motorcycles, cars, buses, trucks, and other vehicles. Following road safety rules helps prevent accidents and protects the lives of everyone using the road. The first and most important rule is to always follow traffic signals and road signs. A red light means to stop, a yellow light means to prepare to stop, and a green light means to proceed when it is safe. Pedestrians should avoid walking in the roads and always use sidewalks to walk alongside the road and use designated pedestrian or zebra crossings to cross the roads. Before crossing a road, we should stop, look both ways, listen for vehicle horns carefully, and cross only when it is safe. You should never run across a busy road or cross between parked vehicles because other drivers may not see us clearly. Children should cross roads with a responsible adult whenever possible, especially on busy streets. Cyclists should wear properly fitted helmets to reduce the risk of serious head injuries. Bicycles should have working brakes, lights, and reflectors so that cyclists can be seen clearly. Motorcyclists and scooter riders should always wear approved helmets and follow traffic rules. Drivers and passengers should wear seat belts every time they travel in a car. Young children should use appropriate child safety seats or restraints according to their size and age. Drivers should maintain a safe speed and reduce their speed near schools, crossings, residential areas, and crowded places. Speeding reduces the time available to react to unexpected situations and increases the danger of accidents. Drivers should always maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of them. Using mobile phones or other distracting devices while driving can take attention away from the road and should be avoided. Drivers should never drive under the influence of alcohol and drugs because these substances can seriously affect judgment and reaction time and lead to accidents. Using turn indicators correctly helps other road users understand when a vehicle is turning or switching lanes. Drivers should check mirrors and blind spots carefully before changing lanes or making turns. At night, vehicles should use appropriate lights and drivers should remain alert for pedestrians, cyclists, and crossing animals. During rain or fog, drivers should slow down because visibility and road grip can be reduced. Pedestrians and cyclists should wear bright or reflective clothing while walking or riding in roads with poor visibility. Road users should never ignore warning signs, barriers, or instructions from traffic police. We should keep roads clean and never throw objects like used water bottles or tin cans onto the road because they can create hazards for other vehicles. Teaching road safety from a young age helps children develop responsible and careful habits. We have made a simple road safety model with traffic lights to help you with your science projects. Schools can use road safety models and science projects to demonstrate traffic signals, crossings, signs, and safe road behavior. A well-designed road safety model can show how responsible actions can reduce accidents and protect lives. Road safety is not only the responsibility of drivers. Pedestrians, cyclists, passengers, and every other road user must cooperate for an accident-free journey. By following traffic rules, staying alert, respecting others, and making safe decisions, we can help make our roads safer for everyone.
Thanks for watching diyas Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Light up, subscribe right here, right now. Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. diyas Funplay.